Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Ferrari F355 and this is by Tomica, and this is from their premium edition series. So this is my second Ferrari which I own from Tomica. So I really loved the La Ferrari which we unboxed recently, and let's unbox this one and see how the premium one looks. I really wish they have some kind of openable parts. So most of the premiums actually has, maybe except like this Nissan which I have here, that is by Ital design version, and that one doesn't have any openable parts or anything. Okay, so here it is. So I paid some good money for this. It's around 800 rupees or something. So the box is a bit damaged. Okay, let's unbox this. So one thing I really like about the premium versions are the rims are actually different compared to the mainline versions. So it is unique to that specific car. So here is a closer look. So it looks really beautiful. I don't see any paint job issues. There is one small dot, white dot here, as you can see. I don't know if it is dust. Yeah, it is dust. It went. Okay. So rest of the things looks really nice, especially the rims here, which is unique to this particular car. And so look at the logo detailing. It looks really beautiful. This is a Ferrari red. So I'm really wondering, see, when we unboxed that La Ferrari, the headlights they had acrylic, and the tail lights they had acrylic, which looked really beautiful. And so I think NSX, and there is one more Toyota which I unboxed. They actually had pop-up headlights. So this one being the premium, they don't have any openable parts, I guess so. Yeah, nothing is opening here. So I do like the casting, which is really nice. I'm really sorry about the background noise, guys. Please don't mind. So actually the body is made of metal and the chassis is plastic, and the scale is 1:62. And so rest of the casting actually looks really nice. I don't see any paint job issues or anything here. So let's do a suspension test real quick. Yeah, it does have suspension. So the Tomica suspensions are a little bit, how I can say, jumpy. It is actually good in a good way. I'm talking about. So measure at once, if you see, it is a little bit of tight. This one is kind of easy to push, and it looks really nice compared to the measured versions. I do love measured versions as well, but Tomica is something different, always. Okay, let's do a roll test really quick. Okay, it doesn't roll really well, but it is better than the La Ferrari and the Honda Civic Type R which we unboxed this week. Okay, this is better. It doesn't have any wheel wobble or anything. Yeah, I don't see much of a wheel wobble here. Okay, the front wheel wobbles a little bit. Yeah, front wheel wobbles a little bit, but it is okay. So anyway, I'm not going to play with Tomicas or in general any cars, but not specifically with Tomicas. I'm just going to keep it in the box. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.